ElasticSearch is a powerful search engine that is widely used in the software industry for its functionality and scalability. It is known for its real-time search capabilities and efficient data storage and retrieval. Many companies across the globe rely on ElasticSearch to manage their large volumes of data and provide fast and accurate search results to their users. From e-commerce platforms to social media sites, ElasticSearch plays a crucial role in optimizing search experiences. When it comes to job opportunities, ElasticSearch professionals are in high demand both in India and abroad. Companies are constantly looking for skilled individuals who can leverage ElasticSearch to enhance their products and services. In India, ElasticSearch experts can secure lucrative positions in top IT firms, startups, and consulting agencies. The average salary for ElasticSearch professionals in India ranges from INR 6 to 10 lakhs per annum, depending on skills and experience. On the global front, countries like the USA, UK, Australia, and Canada offer attractive job prospects for ElasticSearch professionals. Salaries abroad can go as high as USD 80,000 to USD 120,000 per year, making it a rewarding career choice for those willing to explore international opportunities. As you can see, ElasticSearch is not just a search engine, it's a gateway to exciting career prospects and financial growth. Whether you're a seasoned software developer or a novice looking to upskill, mastering ElasticSearch can open doors to a world of opportunities. So, why wait? Start your ElasticSearch journey today and unlock a realm of possibilities.